Have you ever dreamed of standing in the middle of one of the greatest wonders on Earth? The Great Migration across the Serengeti. What would it feel like to witness thousands of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles moving together across endless golden plains? Now imagine that, after a day of photographing wildlife, you return not to a tent, but to a luxury safari camp perched on the edge of the wild. Can you picture yourself here, where every sunrise and sunset feels like it was painted just for you? What would it be like to wake up in this villa, to step outside your door, and already be immersed in Africa's beauty, to sip coffee while listening to the call of distant lions and the morning songs of exotic birds? This isn't just a trip, it's an experience where adventure meets comfort, where the thrill of photographing giraffes, gazelles, and elephants collides with world-class hospitality. Would you rather be behind the lens capturing these moments, or simply taking them in with your own eyes? And here's what makes the safari different. This small group workshop is led by Greg and Julia Johnson, a Christian couple who believe travel is more than a destination. It's fellowship, discovery, and faith lived out. Greg is a seasoned world traveler, having visited more than 100 countries during his 35 years in the U.S. Air Force. Together, Greg and Julia will guide you on the trip of a lifetime, walking alongside you every step of the way. Comment Safari for the details and early bird discounts.